Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is on Normalized Difference Water Index. It is the index which is used to identify the water features from the satellite images. It is calculated by using green and near-infrared bands. Its values generally varies from -1 to 1. Satellite images used for NDWI are Landsat Sentinel models. Bands used for calculating NDWI. So let's start. NDWI in QGIS. For calculating NDWI, we need band 3 and band 5 as we are using here Landsat 8 data. So let's add the band 3 and band 5 satellite images first. Now let's open the raster calculator to calculate the NDWI. Be careful while putting the formula. Now save to file. OK. Now our NDWI was calculated. These white pages are the water features in the satellite images. So now let's classify. It shows the negative and positive value. The positive values are the water features and the negative values shows the vegetation or built up area. So now let's classify. Now select the render type as single band pseudo color. Now select the mode as equal interval and classes as 3. Now select a color ramp. Now apply. OK. Here the blue color represents the water features, whereas the other colors represent the built up areas and vegetation. NDWI in ArcMap. So now let's add the band 3 and 5. So now let's add the band 3 and band 5 to calculate the NDWI in ArcMap. For calculating the NDWI, we need to go to the search bar. Now search for raster calculator. Now open the raster calculator and put the formula. Now select the output file. Now after the calculation of NDWI, let's classify the image. Go to Properties. Select on Classified. Now select the color as per your choice. Now select the classes as 3 and method as equal interval. Now let's change the label. Apply and OK. Now you can see the dark blue patches represent the water features of the image. By simply using this formula, we can identify the water features from the satellite images. We have shown the calculation of NDWI in both ArcMap and QGIS.